Have you ever wondered how to make vegan whipping cream? Well, you've come to the right place. I'm gonna show you how fast and easy it is. Coconut whipping cream. When making your coconut whipping cream, you need a chilled bowl. I like using a hand mixer instead of my stand mixer because I can whip this up a lot easier. It's all about the type of coconut cream that you buy. So here we go. I'm gonna scrape the fatty part off the top here. You don't need the liquid, just the solid part at the top. Little bit of powdered sugar, just whatever amount you want. A tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, it's up to you. Vanilla. I'm gonna eyeball it. I'm just gonna drop just a little bit in. This bowl has been chilled in the freezer for about 20 minutes. I think we're getting close now. Nice texture of whipping cream. Yummy and delicious coconut whipping cream. Came out really smooth too. It's good. Yum.